Welcome to the Autonomous Vehicle Technology Sensors Workshop. This experience is being hosted as a part of the GeoTech Center's regional workshop series in partnership with NCAT. The workshop is being formatted as a pilot project through a fully immersive virtual reality or VR environment to create a unique experience for a concept called VR for social engagement. New technologies will continue to advance the way we connect with our students and industry partners supporting the future of work. I believe autonomous technologies are transformative, changing the way society lives, works, travels, and learns. Advancement of autonomous technologies will require a highly skilled and adaptable workforce. NCAT leads the nation in preparing the skilled technical workforce to cultivate the opportunities that autonomous technologies are generating. Your participation will continue to grow these resources, helping to shape the future direction for autonomous technology education. NCAT is building the workforce by inspiring students and the future problem solvers, providing advanced skills training to leadership, and connecting industry and forming a nationwide network of collaborators. There's no end to the journey, only new skies, roads, and oceans to explore. Thank you for your participation. I look forward to your experience.